Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can color balance almost any shot with another in DaVinci Resolve. And the best part is that it only takes a couple of seconds. Before we jump into how color matching works, I want to quickly explain why you might want to use color matching in DaVinci Resolve in the first place. One common reason is when you film the same scene at different times of the day. As the lighting changes, colors can shift, even if the camera settings stay the same. Another reason is when you're using multiple cameras for the same scene. Different cameras often produce different blacks, highlights, and color tones, and you'll want all of those shots to match. And finally, you might want to apply the look of a movie or another video to your own footage, or even to an adjustment layer, and color matching makes that process much faster. Here on my timeline, I have two different shots placed side by side that I want to use in the same project. You can clearly see there's a big difference between them. The first shot has a gloomy tone and the colors aren't very visible, while the second one looks much warmer and more colorful. If I want to use these together, I'll need to color match them to maintain visual continuity. To do that, I head over to the color page in DaVinci Resolve. Once I'm there, I select the clip that I want to change. In this case, I want this gloomy shot to look more like the colorful one. With the clip selected, I right-click on the reference clip, the one that already looks correct. You have to be careful when making the selection, because if you choose the wrong clip as the reference, the colors may be inverted. Now, click on Shot Match to this clip. Instantly, you can see the color balance change. When I go back to the Edit page and switch back and forth between the two clips, you'll notice that DaVinci Resolve has matched the shadows and highlights, and the clip looks much better than its original gloomy version. You can make small, fine adjustments if needed using the color tools in DaVinci Resolve, but in most cases, this gets you extremely close with just a single click. And that's how you can quickly color match shots in DaVinci Resolve to keep your footage looking consistent and professional. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.